What do you mean? You can be my sweet Jamaican coffee. I say, yeah. Anytime you're feeling lazy, call me. I will pick you up and make you strong. You see?
Hey, give thanks for life. Give thanks for life. Oh, chimney, chimney. Today my rise like the sunrise, my bright and my upright. No one can block my vibes. I'm in no care who I fight, I know I criticize. I'm on the higher heights. So you can say what you want to and do what you want to. It's no concern to me. Come and have my own vision, me dip on my own mission to rule my destiny.
Pictures? You can't clap me as again, you know.
Oh, it's my day to do anything I want to. It's my time, and I'll use it any way I want to. It's my life, and I'm responsible for every action. It's all mine, my day, my time, my life. I beg you, easy now, give me some reason now, and don't invade my space. I'm in a different place, different face, moving on my way. So if you feel like a champion, then nothing can go wrong. This one is your song.